Hey there, I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you a few little tips and tricks that you might not have thought about when it comes to cleaning your interior, really like when it comes to your vents. So that's one area of the car that can get really grimy. A lot of dust and debris and things are coming through these vents. One of the quick ways you can clean them is by taking one of these little brushes. This is a Carbon Collective detail brush, and these are similar to what's in the makeup industry, really soft. You can use these to get inside these vents and just dust them off. So when you do this, you get a lot of the dust off, but you might still have some remnants and things that are stuck to these little slats in here. And the way you can do that to get those out is this little, it's like a little detail swab and some all-purpose interior cleaning gel. You just kind of spray some gel into the swab, and you don't want too much of it, so you can kind of get it in there, dab it a little bit so you're not putting too much liquid in here, and then take it and go up to these little vents. You're gonna see something in a second. See all that junk? So it looked clean, but now you're getting more than just the dust off. You're getting years and years of, look at that, stuff that's caked on these vents. So you just go across a bunch of times there, you know, and let me get the underside as well. So I put pressure up when I'm getting the underside. I start with the top side and then I'll work to the underside. So you can see it's still picking up stuff here. So look how funky that is. And that's just one of these vents. I've got a little scan grip light. Turn this thing on, you'll be able to see if you got this thing clean or not. And it looks pretty clean. But this is an excellent tool for interior detailing, because when you think something's clean, you've got it all cleaned up. Like even I did this vent right here, and you can still see I got a couple spots that I need to go back over. See right there? So go over that area. You know, I guess you could even start with that in the process. Just have this light out so you can see, you know, what you're cleaning. But that's another little trick to use that maybe a lot of people haven't thought about. And if you don't want to spend the money on a scan grip, you know, this is a headlamp, so this goes around. I wanted to show you by holding it by the hand, but I can stick it on my head too. Now I can do, you know, whatever areas I can still see that are dirty with that. If you don't want to spend the money on one of these scan grips, you could just use your cell phone. Just do this, you know, and get in there. That light's pretty good. So those are my tips and tricks for how to get your vents clean. I just wanted to show you guys the extra little steps to take there, and hopefully that helps you, because over time vents will get extremely dirty, and this car's 20 years old, so you can definitely tell it's got a lot of buildup on it. I'll leave links to all the products in the description, so check that out if you need them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. Thanks for watching again. See you on the next one.